Introducing the Nutshell Cooler, a sustainable, collapsible cooler made from coconuts. The husk of a coconut is a natural marvel. It protects the water inside, keeping it cool in the heat and safe when it falls. But it's nothing more than waste for farmers. Billions of leftover husks are burned every year, producing unhealthy smoke and releasing tons of CO2 into the atmosphere. We spent years working alongside farmers and engineers in the Philippines, turning this waste into insulation for the Nutshell Cooler, providing extra income for farmers and creating jobs in rural communities. And finally, together with the top design studio in San Francisco, we created a beautiful cooler that jives with the modern world. The Nutshell Cooler is collapsible, so you can store it just about anywhere. It features a detachable liner for easy cleaning. There's ample insulation for a long day out, and plenty of space to keep friends fed and refreshed. There are side pockets for additional storage, a shoulder strap for hands-free carrying, and handles for heavier loads. Wherever you are, wherever you're going, your portal to the tropics awaits. So grab your family and friends and chill by nature with the upcycled cooler that's changing an industry. The Nutshell Cooler, built to last years, not millennia. Join the Nutshell community and contribute to a more hopeful, innovative, and sustainable world.